Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of the 2025 Bennington 24 MSB. This is the Sport Edition, which gets you the true carbon fiber tower on the boat. What an amazing look it gives. This is the ocean blue rippled paneling with the blackout package. We anodize all of our rails, side trim, and skirting in black to give it another better look on the water. This boat has integrated running lights, docking lights, and LED navigation lights as well. This boat is our tritoon with our full SPS tritoon package. It has a 250 horsepower Mercury V8 on the back. Let me show you some features around back. All right, y'all, thanks for coming back here with me. One of the couple things I love about the Benningtons is these larger rear swim platforms. This gives you lots of room to move around the back of the boat on either side of the motor. We've got rear firing speakers so you can listen to the radio while you're back swimming. And now we have the lily pad spring assisted ladder, which makes getting in and out of the boat from the water a breeze. Let's go inside and see more. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me inside. Look at the length of these two forward chase lounge seats. Flip down armrests, removable bow table. This has the 80% cutout, so it gives you lots of room to put back your hats, sunscreens, wallets. Got a little tray by here to charge your devices with a USB-C and USB-A outlets. This boat is our stern radius seating arrangement, so we have the captain and co-captain's chairs with the two rear loungers as well. And Bennington's really just thought of everything on this boat. Take a look at the elevated console that's going to come on here. And this has our all-new Vivid dash. So we have a 7-inch Vivid screen that'll give you all your engine gauges, your Simrad chart plotter, and another 7-inch Vivid touchscreen to control all your boat's lights, radio, even another quick radio knob to get to right there as well. Wireless charger tucked up underneath here. Coming over to the port side, we've got a really easy to get to trash can, pop-up table, and even a drawer down here as well. And I love how they added the pockets throughout the boat as well, so you can quickly get to, sunglasses and cell phones and things like that. This boat really is a showstopper. It's our first one we got in on the new M series with the Sport Arch as well. Love to show it to you in person. Please come see us at MarineMax in Greenville.